3, 2, 1. What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a very popular video about fidget spinners. I'm gonna attempt to do 9,999 mile per hour fidget spinner versus my finger. It's gonna hurt a lot. Right that. Okay, so these fidget spinner things, they're blowing up everywhere. Not like the hoverboards, not that type of blowing up. They're like really popular right now. And as you can see, I have 5 of these different types. Yeah. So these are my brothers. These 3 ones. Yeah, so there's like different types. There's ones with 2 bearings on the sides and 3 bearings on the sides. And they're really fun just to play with. Everyone at my school has these. They're just really cool. Like, you just sit there in class just fidgeting. Everyone has these. It's really weird. Yeah. So, without further ado, I'm going to be attempting to hit my finger with this fidget spinner, going really fast. Okay, yeah, this is the fastest fidget spinner, so I'm going to use this one. Yeah. If you want to buy yourself a fidget spinner, I can leave a link down below, and you can get your own. Okay. I'm going to do this against my finger. In 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm gonna make it super fast, and then I'm just gonna smash my finger into it. See how slow that is. Oh, that's very fast. Look at that. Okay, 3, 2, 1. That was pretty painful. I don't know if you can see it, there's a red mark right on the side, right there. Probably can't see it, but that hurt. Okay, guys, I think that will wrap up today's video. Hopefully my brother will be here in the next one, so, yeah, see you guys, bye.